Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to show internet speed on status bar in Samsung A16. If you are using Samsung A16 and now you want to show your internet speed in your status bar, so let's see how you can do this. For this, you just have to open your Play Store and here just install an application. So go for search and here just search for internet speed meter. Just search for this and then you just have to install this application. Just tap on install and now you just have to wait for its installation. Then we have a simple setup. After installation you just have to open the app. Just tap on open and here just select grant permission and then select allow. In this way you can easily show your internet speed in your status bar, something like this. So that's how you can easily show your internet speed in your status bar on Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.